Dobar dan svima, dobrodošli na naš kanal.
Hello everybody and welcome to our channel again. Oh, am I going?
Do the other.
Oh, so it's going to be the meats today?
Yes,
okay,
it is.
So this one's
It's
for
not
the-
just any meat, it's specialty meat.
Yes, my wife is absolutely right. So today we are going to make something that actually has the name of the city where my father-in-law and my mother were born. Leskovački, Serbia.
Yes.
So, yay. So they're Serbian meatballs, but they're called Leskovački Uštipci.
Leskovački Uštipci.
Oh man, I hope I didn't massacre
Opet na
that.
Jovanov način.
There's a couple of things I'm going to change in the recipe, but I'm not going to go off on a tangent with this one. I'm going to keep it as close as possible, so they're going to be pretty close to the originals.
Yes. So, danas spremamo leskovačke uštipke. So, ja uvijek kažem na Jovanov način, volim malo da izmeni neke stvari, ali uglavnom će biti to kako god su osnovni sastojci za to. Odlučili smo da napravimo nešto što je specijalitet u Srbiji, odakle Jovanova majka i moj otac su poreklom Leskovac, tako da uživajte.
Paprikari.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we'll get everything set up and we'll be right back. All right, so let's get going on the ingredients. Again, as in all of our videos, down below in the description, we're going to give you the details of exactly how much of each of these ingredients we are going to be using today.
Okay, so sve što nam treba je na ovom stolu. Kao i uvek, ispod videa u opisu naći ćete tačno koliko čega smo koristili od sastojaka.
All right, so let's start getting things together here. We have 2 pounds of my go-to 93% lean ground round. We've got 1 pound of ground pork. I'm going to get my fat from this guy right here. Lots of flavor. Here we have some crushed hot peppers. Got to bring the heat. Some pepper. Here we have chopped as fine as we could. I think it was 5 strips of it's thick cut Oscar Meyer bacon. Here we sliced and diced some provolone cheese into like little itty bitty squares. Here we have some diced onions. This is our vegete here. That's our go-to dry vegetable seasoning, and garlic powder.
Okay, so mlevena junetine, mlevena svinjetina, crvena ljuta paprika, biber, sitno, vrlo sitno isečena slanina, ovdje je dimljena, verovatno je u Srbiji, ekstra dimljena i malo deblja, mali komadići, mi smo sekli provolone cheese, koji god kačkavalj imate, će raditi isto, dok god se dobro topi, sitno iseckan luk, beli luk u prahu i naravno vegete.
All right. Well, it's pretty much cut and dry from here, guys. We're going to drop half of our beef in here. And then if my wife would be so kind as to go ahead and just start dropping in some of the seasonings. I just like to do it this way. It makes it easier when it's mixing in the mixer. And although most of the time, a lot of your ingredients are going to work their way to the bottom of the bowl.
Or the side of the bowl.
Or the side of the bowl, absolutely, great point. So, just stay on that, and it's okay if you have to take the bowl off the mixer and mix it with your hands every so often. We pretty much always have to. So it's, it's always good to do it that way. Get everything incorporated, and believe me, you're just going to have some awesome meatballs.
Okay.
All right, so let's get this baby rolling.
Okay, let's wait.
And once our meat is mixed and everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and Yeah, something like that. I was waiting for you. We're going to go ahead and roll our meatballs. Or how you say?
Uštipci. Uštipci mali, ovako će samo da se rolaju.
These are some tough names here. I'll tell you what, I tried.
But the food is delicious.
Man, it sure is.
I know. Don't pronounce it, just give me to eat.
Exactly. Folks, we'll be right back.
So, jedan pleh ovako koji smo nauljili. Ovdje ima možda jedno 100 ml maslinovog ulja. Ja sam samo namazala pleh.
All right, so my wife has just brushed some olive oil on the pan here, and we're going to start forming these meatballs. I hope you've had a chance to watch our grilled Italian meatballs with creamy sriracha sauce, because we're going to form them virtually the same way. They're going to grill virtually the same way, just that these are Serbian meatballs and not Italian.
Yes.
So they have some ingredients that are going to be incorporated there that are just going to be unbelievable.
Yes. So, što je on je rekao je da ćemo, ako ste gledali naš video sa meatballs, kako se to kaže, čufte italijanske sa Alfredo sriracha sos, ista stvar, formirate loptice, samo što, actually su stvari vrlo slično peče, samo što je malo su naravno drugačije sastojci.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yummy, I can't
Oh
wait.
man, so we're going to put these in the fridge for about an hour and let that olive oil soak in, and it actually is going to create a nice barrier, keep those juices in there, and you know, we'll be back with the finished product.
Ok, so čufte, uštipci idu u frižider na jedno sat vremena, da, kako je vam to objasnio, da to ulje će da zadrži sve te sokove i sve unutra i onda naravno će da se stavio na roštilj i onda ćemo mi da uživamo.
Wow,
Vi ćete da uživate kad napravite.
Thank you so much, guys. Puno vam hvala, and we'll see you in a bit.
Yep. Ooh.
So the meatballs, the Serbian meatballs, or the...
Leskovački Uštipci.
I'm so glad she said that for me. I don't know if I can get through it. Thank you, by the way.
you're very welcome.
They are on the grill.
Yes, they are.
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
And they smell awesome.
Oh, man. 35 minutes, they sure do. And that's going to be a tough 35 minutes for us because we just absolutely love Leskovački Uštipci.
Leskovački Uštipci, yes.
Leskovački Uštipci. All right, man, I get it. Okay, so we have 2 pounds, and they were supposed to be the little baby whole mushrooms, but it looks like I had to get one of the bigger mushrooms, and then we just cut those in half. And so we have some parsley, and we have some garlic and pepper mixed. There is salt in this, so that's why you don't see any other salt on the table. And we have 6 tablespoons of unsalted sweet cream butter. And then we have this hot,
Yes,
oh
it
boy,
is.
look at that. Ooh, now that is a well-oiled iron skillet, folks. It should be doing this every time it gets hot.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, my wife oiled it.
Ok, so šta imamo ovdje je pečurke, obične bele pečurke ili šampinjone, šta god možete da nađete, peršun, biber i beli luk u prahu, ja se izvinjavam. Ima soli ovdje, tako nemojte da dodate ekstra soli dok ne probate kako pečurke izgledaju. I puter ili margarin, Jovan koristi puter because ima veću masnoću, mi više volimo puter nego margarin, ali bilo koji će da radi.
All right, here we go, guys. Now be careful when you drop this in there. This skillet is hot,
Yes.
so it is going to take
yummy.
off. All right, babe, if I can give you
Thank
this.
you.
Now that butter is heating up real nice. So what you can do is, before it completely dissolves, so your butter doesn't burn, okay, we're going to go ahead and drop the mushrooms in. All right, here they go.
Okay. So, vodite računa, kažem, Jovan je ugreo ponovo, tiganj, to je vozivi tiganj. So, čim je stavio puter, onda je sve počelo da se topi, ali to je kada taj ukus ovim pečurkama, kada taj puter koji se stopio u vrelom tiganju udalji pečurke.
Oh yeah, guys, this is the deal.
Yes.
And please do not, I only had the lid on so that it would heat up quicker. You do not want the lid on while you're grilling these guys in here, because you want the butter to steam out, okay? Because you're going to want them. They're going to release water. And what's going to happen is once they release water, they're going to be too soft and wet. So you don't want that. So
salty,
yes, leave the lid off and let that steam out, all right? So now there's no set amount for the garlic, salt, and powder. You just do it to taste.
Okay. So, kad je stavio pečurke, ne pokriva pečurke poklopcem za tiganj, zato što pečurke same po sebi imaju vodu, a ako ih poklopite, oni će da puče tu vodu i da postanu onako igave i neukusne. Jovan ostavio ne se više sad sprže i dinstaju nego što se kuvaju. I on će samo polako da meša to konstantno. Vidjet će, odmah počinje da se hvata ovo malo od ulja i putera, da dobija tu boju.
Oh, yeah.
So, i onda, naravno, sve sastojke ove začine dodajete po vašem ukusu kako volite. Jovan nekako ima svoje recepte koje se drži i stvarno su fantastični. Probajte na Jovana način, ali ako možete, ako hoćete, uvek možete da promijenite.
So I'm going to ask my lovely wife to take the spoon, the wooden spoon, and come over and continue. And I'm going to go get a secret ingredient.
Yummy. Okay. Ovo miriše izvrsno. Oh my God, I love it.
Okay, I'm back with the secret ingredient. Wow, some secret ingredient, huh? Ancient Chinese secret, huh? Isn't that what the... Oh, no.
Chinese?
No, it's Italian. Mozzarella. Shredded mozzarella.
Yummy.
So, guys, what we're going to do is we are now going to hit our mushrooms with some shredded mozzarella. Oh, boy. Are you feeling it, guys? Are you feeling it yet? Oh my goodness.
Am I mixing this or?
Actually, give it a little bit. Just let it melt in.
Okay.
And I think we're going to be good soon. The mushrooms are almost done. That was some high heat we put them on. So, yes. All right. And we like our cheese. So.
So šta je ovo radi ovdje? Mozzarella rendana. Ako ne možete naći za mozzarellu, bilo koji kaškavalj koji se dobro topi.
Again, guys, there's no set amounts to any of this. Just, you're going to put garlic powder, garlic, salt, pepper to taste. Also, the mozzarella. I mean, for those that like a little bit of mozzarella, sprinkle a little bit on. If you're like us and you like a little bit more, so we probably put a full cup in here. And then the parsley, I just like to hit it right before it's done. So we're just going to go ahead and kind of like a light sprinkle over the top. And I mean, this is the bomb. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Serbian meatballs.
Leskovački Uštipci.
Leskovački Uštipci. When I see them, it seems to just bring out the Serbian in me. I can even pronounce it correctly. Oh yeah. I'm in a good place right now, guys.
Sure, and I will be there soon.
Oh, yes, you will. Yes, you will. So here they are. Here's our mushrooms. Here's our coleslaw. And here is our meatball. So without further ado, let's cut into this baby. So inside, onions, bacon, cheese. Here, let me turn this around for you. So you can just see all the goodies in there.
Yummy.
Oh boy. All right, well, I'm just gonna take a bite of this and I'm gonna grab some mushrooms. Please don't miss this recipe. It's easy, fast. You've got to try these Serbian meatballs. They're out of this world. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for subscribing to us, for following us on YouTube. And we have so many of these delicious recipes for you. My wife's baking and cooking, my grilling. Don't miss this one. You've got to make this. You won't be sorry. Trust me. Again, thank you, and we'll see you soon.